What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 15. So in today's topic we'll be going to talk about one exercise. This is a very simple exercise, like if someone is coming from C, C++, Java, Python, whatever. So I believe definitely you guys have done at least for any sort of assignment in your college, school, high school, or any time, like Fibonacci series or Fibonacci sequence, right? So I will do the same thing in here in Rust as well. So it will be help you guys to understand like all the components which we already covered till now, like variable, mutability, immutability, if else, loop, functions, everything. So we'll see how to create a Fibonacci sequence using Rust. So before moving forward, I'll just explain you what is Fibonacci sequence. Okay, so this sequence is a Fibonacci sequence. So it starts with 0 and after that it's a 1. So 0 1 will become 1, like the previous number, the next number will be added and the resultant number will be the next number. So 0 1 will be added and it will become 1. So 1 1 will be added and it will become 2. Then 2 1 will be added and it will become 3. Then 3 and 2 will be added and it will become 5. Then 5 and 3 will be added and it will become 8. Then 8 and 5 will become 13. 13 and 8 in 21. 21 and 13 will become 34, and 34 and 21 will become 55. 55 and 34 will become 89. So if you want to, like, if you want your program to write nth number of Fibonacci series or sequence, then you can get this sort of number where n could be any positive integer. Okay, so we'll go to the next part and we write down the code. Okay, this is going to be very simple. So I will remove everything which is our last tutorial code, so I'll rather make it clear. Clear. Okay, so we'll write from here. So function mn like this and this. I'm not sure what happened this thing. Okay, so see, so we'll define 3 variable. Let mut I starts with 0. Okay, then b it will be 1, and we'll declare one more variable. It will be 0, and c, this is also 0. Okay, so now we'll write the actual Fibonacci series now. So for example, we would like to print the nth number from the Fibonacci series. So while I less than n, so probably 5, then we'll write here. Okay, so we'll see what will happen if, so first two numbers are 0 and 1. So if it will start with 0, then 0 and 1. So if I greater than 1, okay, so here it will be one condition, and for the first two element, like where I is less than 1, so for that will be another condition. So for that thing we'll write print ln and we'll write I this, and I equals to I plus 1 like this, and here we'll write something. So first thing first, so what will happen in C, we'll put the existing b value, and after that b will be, b means the second element, so b is going to be it's kind of b plus a, which is 0, and after that in a we will put the last value. So now what is happened, C is having the present b value and b is having the next b value. So what is happened now, b is 1 and 1 plus 0 will become 1. Okay, and after that in a will assign this value. Okay, means the last b value, which is also 1. So 1 and 1, next time a is c, a equals to c, so 1 is here and also 1 is here, so b will become 2. Then what will happen, a will become this b, means 2 will go here, and after that a, already in a we will have 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3, and after that what will happen, this 3 will remain as it is in B. Okay, C is in B. Sorry, sorry, I'll explain this thing how it is happening. Okay, so first of all, what is happening here, just try to understand. So C is 0. Okay, so C will get the value of B, so C will become 1. Okay, and what will happen, A will become 1, so A will become 1. And what is happening here, B is 1 and A is 0. 1 plus 0, so it will become 1. Now what will happen, B is this, so in the next iteration what will happen, A is C means A is already having 1, so in the next iteration what will happen, C will become 1 again. Okay, here okay, what will be the value of V, so B is already 1 and A is also 1, right, 1, so 1 plus 1 equals to 2, like this. And in C we'll also put the value of in 1 we'll put the value of C. C means B means again 1. Okay, so now we'll update this value with latest C, okay, which is 2. Now what will happen, A equals to 1 and B equals to 2, so 1 plus 2 equals to 3 now. Okay, so now in A we'll put the latest last B value, which is 2. Okay, and here we'll put the current B value, which is 3. Okay, but now when we come here we'll have 2 plus 3, right, so 2 plus 3 will become 5. So if you see, it will be 2 plus 3 plus 5, so it is like that. See, if you go here, it is 2 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, so in this way, so now what will happen, here A will get the value of C, so C is what, C is 3. Okay, and here also will get the current value of B, which is 5, but here B is 5, C, A equals to 3, 3 plus 5, 8. So like this it will print everything. So what I'll do now, I will try to print everything now. Okay, like this, and after that print ln will print the value of B. Okay, so B, sorry, okay, and if I greater than 1 means it will start from the 0 first, means second element, so first two element will be 0 1 1, it will be printed here, and after that what will happen, I equals to I plus 1, and like this. So if everything is fine, so let me check if I didn't do any typos. So what I'll do, I'll just make everything concise like this. Okay, so what will happen, so we'll write this thing now. See what is happening. See, 0th element is first element is second element is 3, third element is fourth element is 5, like this. You understand? So I just put 5th, so rather that is why it is printing like this. So we can put 10 and we'll save this thing. Well, I think I'm running the wrong code actually, so that is why these things are happening. I'm not sure which code is running, so okay, I think this code is running, so probably I can, okay, let's run this thing now, because in that tutorial probably some other code was running, not sure which code, but some other code. So now if I run this thing, say 0 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 20 34, like this it is printing. Okay, so in this way you can print a Fibonacci series with number of nth number of elements. So you can write here or probably Fibonacci series with n number of elements. Okay, so there will be total 10 elements. Okay, so like this, and suppose there is something else, Fibonacci series. So we'll write another code, Fibonacci series nth element. Okay, Fibonacci series nth element. How to print that? Okay, so for, okay, what is this? No, I'm not doing Rust now. Alright, is this okay? So now we print this. Now our job is to write Fibonacci series with nth element. Okay, so if I greater than this, else this, this. So one more condition we would require. So what is that? Like, let's say our if and else we are doing, but that could be another thing which you could do, like if I you want the nth element, right? So in that case you don't need this statement here and this statement here. So definitely the nth element means probably you want, let's say, sixth element. Okay, so once the loop is done, then only you want to print. It means you want to print here what is the last value of b, right? So for suppose I want to print the sixth element, right? So let's run this thing now. I'm just thinking what will happen now. 0 0 0 0 6 means I will go here and it will like this. Okay, so let's print this thing, then we'll see what is going to happen. Okay, so let's save this thing now and we'll try to run this thing. Oh, I mean actually put everything here, so rather we can put here. So let's run this thing now. So it is actually inside the loop. So 5, sixth element is 5. So let's check this thing whether it is writing correctly or not. This is the 0th, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, right? This is the fifth element. Sixth meant it will start with 0 1 2 3 4 5, means it will come here, right? So 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 like this. So see, the sixth element is this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6, cause our index starts with 0, right? So that is why our sixth element will be 5. Okay, so that's it, guys. So in this way you can easily like print the nth element as well. So what I'll do, I will take a copy paste of this thing and I'll put it here again, but don't worry, I will upload the source code as a separate GitHub file as well. So guys, this is not a tutorial, rather you can say this as an exercise. So I got many requests that I should do some sort of exercise with if else, some sort of looping, breaks and everything. So I just came up with this small and very easy tutorial. So I will explain you guys some other tutorials in probably in the future videos, but from the next video onwards we'll do our usual tutorial. But I'll highly recommend you guys to do some sort of practice, then only you will gain some sort of confidence and you will understand the concepts in a deeper level. So that's it, guys. That's all for today. We'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So and for all Udemy students, guys, please try to interact with me. If you are getting any problem, any difficulties while understanding the codes or any concepts, you can reach me out directly. I'll be always available there to help you out. And if you have any suggestion, complaints, you can also write me. Okay, so that's it. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice